Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I diffuse my curly hair. Since I've been able to rock my fro again, you guys have been asking a lot of questions regarding how I get the fro back, and it's diffusing. It helps you get more volume and it helps you dry your hair where you want it to dry. So I thought I should make a video talking to you guys specifically about how I diffuse to get my hair from like being long down up to being like a fro. So let's talk about what is a diffuser. A diffuser is this. It is a attachment that you attach to a blow dryer, there we go, to diffuse the air coming out. If you were to blow a blow dryer, it blows a lot of air. A lot. So if you just put that straight to your hair, it's going to be blowing your hair all over the place. And all of that movement can cause frizz. The whole point of putting the diffuser on is so that you can still dry your hair using that hot air that's coming out of the dryer. But all that crazy air is coming into the diffuser part, and then there's like stuff, there's like a pattern in here, and it like kind of stops the air and makes it come out a little bit easier, you know, out of the holes that are in the diffuser. And so that's what a diffuser is. It diffuses the air so that it's not coming out at you so hard. So some reasons why you would diffuse is to dry your hair without making it frizzy. Another reason why you would diffuse is to get volume. Another reason why you might diffuse is to shape your hair the way you want it. Pretty much after I finish styling my hair, you know, it's pretty heavy because it has a lot of water weight to it. What happens is when you have like the gel in your hair and you have the water in your hair curls are defined, but when the water evaporates, the only thing that's left behind is the gel. And that's why you get that crunch, and the gel holds your hair the way it is, right? Because the water evaporated and now it's dry, you know? So it's holding it there. If I put my hair here and then the water evaporates, my hair is going to stay here. Now gravity, when I move, is going to bring it down a little bit. But for the most part, you get to make your hair dry where you want it to dry. And so that's why diffusing works to help me get like the fro. What I do is I'll put my hair like in the shape of a fro. So like I'll bring the front hair down, I'll bring this to the sides, and I'll bring the back. So that way it can fall in the shape of a fro. And then after that, I will start to diffuse. Now, when I first do my hair is like this. And the objective is to get it from here to here, right? It's to get it from here to here, right? It's to get it from here to here so that it's more like a fro. But also what we want is we want this hair to be up. We want this hair to be up. We want this hair to be up. We want volume. That's what that's called, volume, right? What you do is you dry your hair that way, okay? So what I do is I turn my head, right? I'll put my head down, right? Because now my hair is hanging off of my head. If I do like this and it's drying on my head, it's not going to get as much volume as if it was drying like this. You know what it's like if it was drying off my head. Like, see, my hair is falling down right now, but if I pull it up, you see how it's taller? Same concept. So that's why when you're diffusing, like you be turning your head all types, different types of way. It's because you want your hair to be hanging or dangling. Because then when you dry it, it dries like that so that when it falls, it didn't dry on your head, but it dried up. And so when it falls, it's a little higher than it would be if it was just to dry, you know, down. So that's why you bend your head over to make your hair dangle. And then you just put the diffuser up to the hair where you want it to dry upward. And then you just hold the diffuser there to get it dry. Now I typically diffuse on medium heat, high air, and I just hold it there for a while, press the cold button here and there, so make sure that it's not so hot, and then I literally just do that all around my head. Now it gets weird when you get into the back of your head. It's kind of hard to do, but you just do your best, you know, to get the job done. But the main objective is to get the hair straight, standing straight up by spinning your head over so that it's dangling. And then just putting the diffuser up to the hair so that it dries that way, and then boom, like that's it. Now a few things to consider: if you wear any jewelry, like how I'm wearing this necklace, anything metal on you, it gets hot. when you're diffusing. It gets really hot. Just because all that hot air is around you, if you're wearing jewelry, that heat will transfer to this jewelry, and the jewelry will transfer the heat throughout the jewelry, and it gets real hot on there. So I recommend taking off any like metal jewelry that you're wearing when it comes time to diffuse, because it can like burn you. So that is all for this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned how to diffuse your curly hair, and if you are going for a curly fro, then I hope that this video will enable you to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. What was that? I said so much for. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I say in every video, there are so many options on YouTube, and the fact that you are here watching my video means the most to me, and I appreciate you for that. And I'll see you in my next video.